Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change home screen page and personal focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, choose this one. And as you can see, you can select a home screen page that you want by putting a check mark on the small circle on the lower part. And if you want to appear this one, just put a check mark. And if you're done, just click done. And that's it. We have successfully changed home screen page and personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.